This is Alan Pitt. I'm a practicing physician here at Common Spirit, but I'm also the co-founder of Vitalchat, a new application. Today, I thought I'd briefly go through some features and opportunities for this application. Notably, scalable telehealth requires it to be touchless. We can't demand that nurses or patients have to manage their endpoint. This causes a lot of workflow changes that are unnecessary. Telehealth needs to be easy to integrate. It can't be a niche play. We can't use it for specific use cases, but rather the application should stretch from hospital to home. We should be able to bring any device into the environment. That includes telemedicine carts, iPad, nursing wows, and phones. It needs to be low cost with no additional licenses for additional providers, nurses, doctors, or other folks. This is a landing page. In your world, you might see this as a floor 4N, room 32, 33, etc., where you can simply enter the room. When you enter the room, you are able to take full control over that room so you can move around quickly. Notably, this blue board here is an integration partner, Westcom Nurse Call Systems. You can see that my face has been added to this nurse call. It can be a standalone, but we believe that telehealth should be integrated. We've also integrated into Airstrip, so you can see blood pressure, pulse, respiratory rate, etc., physiologic monitoring as well. We can call out to the nurse if we're doing virtual rounds so that they can reach out and help us with that patient on the floor. In this case, I have what's called a pan-tilt zoom camera, which allows high magnification to be able to zoom in very rapidly. I can add additional audio and video sources to this so that, for instance, if one were in the operating room, you might want two cameras as well as to be able to see under scope. If I want to add another clinician or a family member, I can simply send them an invite via phone, by cell phone or email. They do not require an app. They simply have a couple of clicks and they're brought into this environment. Now, it's great to have a single room, telemedicine room that I might want to see patients, but it's even better to have multiple rooms. In this world, you see a grid of 4x3. This could be up to, say, 30 rooms. If a patient starts to get out of the bed, puts their leg over the side of the bed, an alarm would sound both on the floor as well as in the room and remotely. This allows us to do e-sitter programs at scale. Overall, we as Common Spirit need to have a single platform to bring on any device that scales from the OR to the floor for e-sitter, EICU, to the emergency rooms for triage, down as far as clinics for integrative care delivery, and then further into the home where we can leverage either phones or televisions to take care of our chronic patients. I want to thank you for your time and would be happy to discuss this further.